Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I feel like, I don't know. So today I'm going to be doing a quick spring warm spring, I don't know, I think I'm going to call it like the warm spring get ready with me. It is a very peachy look, but it is on the warmer side and it's perfect for every day. That's what I wanted to do. I want to do a lot more everyday neutral looks, especially people who like me who have 9 to 5 jobs. I said it in one of my recent videos that I'm lucky enough to wear at my job. I can wear pretty much any makeup I want, but I still try to keep it a little professional. This is a typical look that I would do every day in the springtime. I would do the same look in the fall, except that I'll probably smoke out the lower lash line a lot more and go with a more deeper lip color. If I was doing this for fall, but for spring, I love glosses for the spring. I did pick up a few of the new Urban Decay glosses. I will be doing a swatch video really soon for these. If it's up already, I'll link it, but I'm almost 100% sure it won't be up before this video. I love a good gloss for the springtime. Maybe I'll do my favorite gloss videos, my favorite glosses. For the spring and summer. I might do that. I'm gonna go. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and leave me a little comment. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing a quick spring get ready with me. This will either be a voiceover or just music. I'm not really sure. It's not really like a talk through, but everything I'll use will be listed down in the description box. Like I said, this is perfect for every day. If you're going to work, if you're just going out to lunch, or just being out shopping during the spring. I love shopping in the spring. I have missed you guys so much. I haven't really been filming. All the videos you guys have been seeing have been way pre-recorded. I mean like 2-3 weeks out, because I'm trying to figure out ways to really go ahead and grow the channel. So I'm trying to figure out different type of videos to do. Hence my Ratchet AF unboxing, which it's over there. I've just been a little lost, so I will be doing more get ready with me until I figure out what to do. I would really like to know what you guys want to see, so you guys can go ahead and please leave me some video requests. That'll be great. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys enjoy this spring peachy look, because I am loving it, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.